I'm Heidi, I'm 53, and I'm recovering from a very severe bout of whooping cough. I'm a very active person. I ride horses and jet skis, and we lead an active lifestyle, and whooping cough just put a stop to all of my activities. What I first noticed was I was getting really fatigued, and I was at work feeling tired and having to go and have a rest during the day. The next thing I knew, it was 4 a.m. on a Thursday morning, and I'm gasping for air, and I literally could not breathe. I just had no idea what was happening to me, and I thought I was suffocating. There's no air getting in and out. It's like nothing else I've experienced before. We realised that this was serious, something serious was going on, and we decided we would go to hospital. They put me in isolation straight away, and there were lots of doctors and nurses, and the oxygen went on. I knew absolutely nothing about whooping cough other than it was dangerous for children and babies. I thought I'd have a cough and maybe feel a little bit unwell for a few days, but that's about all that I knew about it. So the coughing lasted around about 4 to 5 months. The first few months, though, were really intense. My body was sore, my muscles, my chest was burning, my throat was burning, and I was just basically coughing all the time. Whooping cough really impacted my life. I couldn't go to work, I couldn't ride my horses, I couldn't see my friends. I just couldn't live my normal day-to-day life. I felt so unwell. What I'd like people to know about whooping cough is that whilst we might be vaccinated when we're children or babies, it doesn't last forever. We do need to take it very seriously. It's not just a cough. I look back now and I think, if I'd known more about it, I would have protected myself against it.